Hi, I'm Healy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a backyard shenanigans video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a quick clip. I just want to show y'all, we're going to look together and see how the yard looks after the thunderstorm last night, y'all. About, I'm going to say 11 o'clock last night, it started lightning. It was a true light show. Then we had some thunder, and by midnight, y'all, it was storming. But come to find out, it only lasted about 15 or 20 minutes. But it was raining hard, y'all. Let's go see what happened to the garden. The first casualty, the collard green, y'all, and I don't know what I'm waiting for. I don't know if I'm trying to feed all of the caterpillars and the bugs and stuff. I'm not sure what I'm waiting for to pick some of these collards and cook them. But y'all, I can't know, is this the or is this the cabbage? No, y'all, look, I think this the cabbage. Okay, but cabbage leaves is good for you though, y'all. Don't sleep on the cabbage leaves. Is this the cabbage too? Both of these cabbage? I thought one of these was collards, but maybe they both cabbage. So that's that. This is one of the, hold on, let me see. Let me move this out the way. So yesterday when I was doing all of the work on the raised beds, I planted some of my starts, and these are two giant curl mustard. And y'all, why I put the mustard underneath these big leaves right here? Because if they do take off and grow, they obviously going to be way bigger than the spot that I have them in. But, you know, we'll work around that. So, stuff is kind of like knocked over a little bit. But, look, this one is perked up. It look good. Back here, I planted a Walton broccoli. Here, I did 2 Snowball X cauliflower. And then here I did a Fairies Round Dutch cauliflower. And y'all, these are the starts that I had in my little container, my tote container. And just like last time, I waited way too late. They grew, they germinated kind of slow though, y'all. But they germinated, so I stuck them in throughout these raised beds. Y'all, everything here is done perked up and is looking better than what it looked like before the storm yesterday. Now here I have a combination of kale, I think I got broccoli in here, and I see I have some onions and stuff right here. I didn't add anything to this bed because it was already very full, but I'm glad to see that the soil wasn't washed away, because that's another thing, y'all, that I was hoping that the soil didn't get washed away, because I do have them filled, you know, pretty close to the top. Here, I had the radishes and carrots and stuff, beets from before. And then I went back. I added 1 or 2 French breakfast radishes, early scarlet globe radish. I added some Detroit red beets, which I think I already have in here. And then I added some more Nantes coreless carrots, which I think I already have in here. The trees are looking good. I see I'm getting more flowering, more budding and more flowering, y'all. And now we're coming into, what's this, the 3rd week of December? We passed the winter solstice, and the cherry tree is still blossoming, y'all. These are my 2 orange trees. They ain't really doing too much but housing spiders and other bugs and whatnot. This is the pink lemonade lemon tree, and it's doing pretty well. I still see like remnants of aphids on this tree, so I just been blasting them with a jet stream of water to knock them off. See, look, see how they have, I don't know if you could see it, but they got some under here. And the ants, I saw like a couple of ants, y'all. The ants take care of the aphids. They do, y'all. And my apple tree, I'm gonna say just in the past few days, leaves started turning yellow and falling off. But I still have apples on the tree that we obviously missed from the last time when we picked all the apples off. And then I also have new apples. Look, I hope I'm not coming into no spider web, but I got new apples growing on a tree. Again, y'all, we're in the 3rd week of December, and things is still growing. I need to get these apples off the tree, y'all, but I've been saying that since we picked the other apples off the tree. So here is, and I folded these chairs on purpose and put them face down because I didn't want the wind to blow them away, because the wind did pick up. But I just want you to see, this is my elephant garlic, and I did have corn in this bed, but I took the corn out because I saw aphids on the corn, so I took them out. I did save some of the kernels. I think I might have put a picture in the community tab post from yesterday. Y'all go ahead and check that out. So this is elephant garlic, and for those of you who are wondering what this thing is in the middle, if you do a search on electroculture, you'll find out more information about this. It's basically a conductive metal coiled around a non-conductive stick or rod. So here I have copper, and it's just around a bamboo stick. But do your research for that if you want to get more details. For some reason, it has become a very I don't know, like real a contested topic in like the garden community, and I don't understand that. It's like, you know, if you see something and it doesn't sit right with you, like, just don't do it. You know, if you don't like something, don't, you know what I'm saying, like, just don't do it. Don't associate yourself with it. Don't try it, you know, whatever. I don't think you have to bash, you know, you don't have to bash a person because they're doing something that you don't do. But I've done electroculture on and off over the many years that I have been gardening, and if nothing, it never hurts. I always seem to get positive results, but if nothing, it has never hurt my garden. So anyway, this is the bed that I cleaned up. I had, I think, like a broccoli or cabbage or something in there, and I did a chop and drop. So this is the bed that I did the chop and drop. This bed also was 6 inches, so each board is 6 inches high, and this was a 6-inch bed. I added another set of boards to it, the 4 garden wall blocks. I pulled up all of the garlic, and you can see it's this sprouted garlic. I pulled all of this up. I chopped and dropped the cabbage, broccoli, whatever it was, and then I alternated and filled this bed in. After I put up the boards, I put the soil, and then I put liquid. I think I have 10-10-5 fertilizer and some liquid trace minerals. So I mixed that in a 2-gallon watering can, and then, you know, soil, liquid fertilizer, soil, liquid fertilizer, soil, liquid fertilizer, until I got to the top. And then I went and I had another grocery store garlic, and I went and got that, and I broke up the cloves. And so in between these sprouted garlic that you see, they have a garlic clove in the ground next to it. So we'll see what happens with this. Hopefully at the minimum, I'll still at least get the garlic that you see that's already sprouted. The last bed, this is where I had my 2 most prominent corn stalks, but again, they did have aphids on them, so I pulled those up. I kept the spinach. The spinach is still looking really good. I had 1 surviving sugar pea, y'all, so so I put that in here. I have kale, and I put kale in here, and then I have 1 Georgia collard that I also put in here. And this, y'all, right here, you probably been seeing this throughout the video. This is like our trap, y'all. We just be putting all kind of little food. They got ground beef, apples, bread. They got all kind of stuff up in there trying to attract this possum. But I think I might have mentioned this too, but talking to a master gardener at my garden group yesterday, she was telling me that the reason why the possum dug up the ground, you know, dug up into the raised beds, but didn't eat any of the fruits or the vegetables or whatever, is because the possum was looking for grubs. So thank you for not eating my food, but you ain't have to like tear up stuff though. That's all I'm saying. These twists, y'all, I'm gonna do a separate probably a YouTube short on it. These are the twists that I'm gonna be wearing to the concert. I gotta get under the hair dryer. It took me like 2 hours this morning, y'all, to do these twists. I have 3 different styles in my hair, on top of that ion strengthening leave-in spray, but I'll talk to y'all about that in that video. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, share this video, share my playlist, and share my channel with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.